welcome to my channel with another new video. Friends, today I have a many colorful of toys and a new bucket. Friends, today I collect many colorful of toys in the jungle in this bucket. So, wasting any more time, let's go. Friends, at first, wow, friends, at first I collect a new runner car, 2-1 runner car. Wow, this is very nice four-wheeler runner car. Friends, I collect this in my bucket. And next, what next? Wow, friends, wow, this is a air wash. Wow, friends, this is very nice and colorful air wash. See, this is blue and red and white color combination. So I collect this in my bucket and I will find what next. What next? Wow, friends. This is an army chopper. Wow, this is very nice army chopper. Wow, friends, this is muddy and green color combination and black. Wow, this glasses is black. So I collect this in my bucket. And what next? Wow, friends, see, this is a army tanker. Wow, this is an army tanker and there is a two soldier. Friends, this is a four-wheel, black four-wheel, and this color is a fully green and red color combination. So I collect this in my bucket. And what next? I find what next? Wow, friends, see, this is a bird. Wow, this is a very nice bird. Wow, friends, this is a pink and green color combination. See, paste color combination. Wow, this is very nice bird. So I collect this in my bucket. And what next I find? What next? Wow, friends, I find my next vehicle. This is a cartoony car. Wow, this is a cartoony car. This is green, white, black and yellow color combination. See, friends, this is very nice car. See this ice? This ice is fully black. See? Wow. This wheel is black and white color combination. So I collect this in my bucket and I find my next vehicle. See? What? Wow, friends. I find my next and last vehicle. This is a running car, V2 running car. This is very nice and cheapest plastic running car. This is green and black color combination and this wheel is black and white color combination. So friends, I collect this in my bucket. And friends, I will ending my video and see you soon with many colorful of toys. So Tata. Bye bye.